my Matafele, MMY Fraternity.
Gentlemen of service, sons of scholarship.
Are not acceptable.
We can be slaves, or we can be.
Come with me if you want to live.
No divorce. No drama. Can you please play my song?
One more night, give me just one more night. One more night, 'cause I can't live without you.
Remember this day, man.
I will show you my home.
I wanna see you move your body like a snake.
Just drop it.
Anything about it, boom, about a thing. I gotta do a lot of things to make it clear to a couple niggas that I always win, and I gotta get it again and again and again.
Let's go. What you want?
Say what? Woo! Make some noise for MMY Fraternity coming out with a boom ba.
Awesome, boys. Awesome. Take a bow, take a bow, take a bow. All right, got the crowd definitely behind you guys. Let's hear from our judges. Alan.
MMY Fraternity. I think you have a lot of supporters over here. Say feel so I can see you guys are sweating. Well done. I like the purple color of your costumes. Very good opening and very good closing. I like the use of levels that you constantly do and your use of lines. Variate micro lines all the time, and there's a choreographic tool that you use, cannons a lot. Very well done. One thing that I think that you guys need to be careful of is your spacing. Some people are standing in front of other people, especially when you're supposed to spread out. Spacing, otherwise, well done. Malo.
O te whaaluaina ia comments se Julian avatu whautuanga mo le whaalelei tili. You know what? You guys are serious contenders. So, o la'u challenge ya oko. You've got the moves. You've got the technique. Paula mea. Don't waste it. Isi mau kangala iki nga. Awal ma mawai iloko kaini. Whaonga nisika nga lele ko ke kuungai kongo o vai space ngal musika. Use up your full 3.5 minutes with solid movements, good choreography. I know you're trying to show your versatility, which you've done tonight, and congratulations on that. But Lealau kakova ai, look forward to next time. And kam fai lai cut away ngai kang alai ki ngai, you know, ma wat ko kai mi. Wai lo mali fak chai lava.
Thank you, Agnes.
Malo lava. O ia le whaali mai ai, kele ko kei minga whaonga ko ke practice ai, and that's what it's all about. Pei lava lo pumasangi, practice makes it perfect. Me kou lava ngā lenga kula i mai ngai lava ai. Ma ngai ko whaonga ngal ko musika, koe ngā me kou lava lea o le dancing. E o so fua koe alo ka festival kwhasa oa ia judges, i le sunga a Seiuli Perefoti actors, manga ko sivangil po, malo lava le kamwhai.
Thank you very much. Another round of applause for MMY Fraternity.